Hello, parents. This is Miss.Jerome-Severe coming with another video for our kiddos. The purpose of this video is to help the struggling students master the skills of counting. By the end of this video, your child should be able to look at the fingers and know how many fingers they see and make the connection to the number to the next slide. Remember, parents, just because your child is counting 0 all the way to 100 or 50, that does not mean they know their numbers. They know it in a routine. So they know it by memorization. So how you know your child know their numbers is that you take a card, an index card, and you write the numbers out of order. And then you place it on the table upside down or face up, and you say, well, what's this number? And the child should be able to tell you. If the child cannot tell you, or they're going, start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, they don't know their numbers. They just know the routine. They know the memorization. They know the pattern. So they just know it by pattern. So to know your numbers for math, you have to know it out of order. No matter what number I put before you, the child should be able to tell you what number it is. Allô parents, yo, bonsoir, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo pour nos vidéos ça, les basés côté pour Timoun yo, ap apren ki jan pou yo konte. Ti moun yo gen parfois yo gen difficulté yo pa ka konte. So sa vidéo sa pral fè, le petit ou an pral gade dwèt yo, epi li pral konte dwèt yo, epi konya la dwèt yo, apre dwèt yo, li pral wè numéro 1 ki afiliye avèk quantité dwèt li wè yo. Epi yon lot bagay tou, poske ti moun yo kon konte ze 0 a 100, pa vle di yo kon numéro yo. Parce gen parfois ti moun yo just kon chan. Yo chante numéro yo, yo konte numéro yo, mais lò pou un ti papier ou soit un ti papier ou écrit numéro la dan li pou mandel ki numéro sa, s'il pa ka dou numéro li, pa vraiment kon numéro li. So c'est tout ça, an nou ale, nou prale apprendre ki jan pou nou konte. So let's go, guys. We're going to learn how to count. Remember, boys and girls, this is the same way your teacher does it in the classroom. So let's go and learn how to count with our fingers. How many fingers do you see? How many fingers do you see? Count them. Count them. Use your finger to count them. So you should say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do we see? 10. What number is that? 10. Very good. How do you write 10? A 1 and a 0. How many fingers do you see, boys and girls? Count the fingers, touch the fingers. Count it nice and loud so your mommy could hear you. How many fingers do you see? Yes, 2 fingers. And this is the number 2. How many fingers do you see, boys and girls? Count the fingers. Go ahead and count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 fingers. And this is the number 7. How many fingers do you see, boys and girls? How many fingers do you see now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do you see? 3. And this is the number 3. How about now? How many fingers do you see? Count them all. Use your finger to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you say 6, very good. Kiss your brain. 6 fingers. And this is the number 6. So the next one, I'm going to let you do it by yourself. How many fingers do you see, boys and girls? Count it. Touch it and count it. You're ready to see if you got it correct? Yes, that was 4. Very good. Let's do the next one. Boys and girls, how many fingers do you see? How many fingers do you see? Count them. Touch them and count them. How many fingers do you see? Very good. If you say 5, very good. Kiss your brain. Very good. How many fingers do you see now, boys and girls? Touch the fingers and count them. How many fingers do you see? Count and count. And if you say 8, you are correct. How many fingers do you see, boys and girls? Oh, that is so easy. How many fingers do you see, boys and girls? Yes, if you say 1, you are absolutely correct. How many fingers do you see now? So go ahead, use your finger and count all the fingers. Count all the fingers. How many fingers do you see? You're ready? Yes, 9 fingers. Good job, boys and girls, counting the fingers and identifying your numbers. Great job. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing every day so when you go to school, so your teacher could see that you know all your numbers. Okay, until next time, boys and girls. Parents, make sure you watch the video with your child over. If you need to pause the video, have them touch the screen so they could know how to count. Parents yo, merci deske nou te gade. Pa oubliye subscribe. Et puis tout, mais pose vidéo pour ti moun yo ka compter, pour ka utiliser dwèt yo pour yo compter. Et puis faire tout le temps avec yo comme ça pour yo capter de temps en temps. OK? Et mais c'est tout ça, mes Jérôme te gen pour nous. À bientôt. All right, parents, that's all I have for you. Until next time. Talk to you later. Bye.